Hello, welcome to Joe from the Cell Phone Geek. Today I'm going to be showing you a stand that will hold your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and also AirPods. This is the Biku brand. I'm going to give you a closer shot of the box here. So it shows you can put your iPad or your iPhone on there, your Apple Watch, and also a spot to hold your Apple AirPods. On the side here we got marked, this does come in black, white, or pink, and I opted for the black one. On the back here just tells you the model. This is the ST08, and this says that this will support your iPhone, Apple Watch, Apple AirPods, Apple Lightning cable, and Apple magnetic charger. Shown in the image on this package are for demonstration purpose only and are not included in this product, so they're showing you those do not come with. And this is made in China. Otherwise, this is the box. It is wrapped in plastic, so I'm going to go ahead, cut the plastic off of it, and we will go from there. So here we go. Plastic is off. Pop the tab on the front. We're going to open the top here. Open up the two flaps. We've got a little manual here that shows you how to set everything up. So it's going to show you how to run your cables through for charging of all your different devices. Also in here we've got a little pad for the iWatch charger, so you can stick it and permanently attach it here, which is what this is showing you. As well as take this plastic, get the plastic off of here. Put that to the side. Looks like it does come in pieces, so this would be to hold your iWatch. You've got your stand for your phone, it looks like. Got a piece of Velcro, screwdriver, bunch of little connectors for running cables, it looks like, some screws. Another little support to hold your Apple Watch so it doesn't fall off, and that's if you have a heavier watch, which is what that says on there. I removed the other piece of plastic here, and I've got, looks like what would be the actual stand, which is all in a nice bag here, and slide it out. So that is the main base. Actually, I guess I would go this direction. So you've got on here your spot to put your AirPods on this back. On the back here is where you drop in your little pod there, and that's so you can charge your Apple Watch. And then on the right here would be where you'd mount your phone. So yeah, and looking at this, on the back side it's got it numbered 1, 2, and 3 to go with the directions on how to push your wires through, run your cables. This is a nice heavy-duty plastic. It's not your normal cheap thin plastic. This is actually really good quality. I'm really amazed on the quality of this stand. So yeah, so I will link a description in the down below here, so you can check it out for yourselves to get some more info. If you're interested in purchasing, we do ask that you use our link, as it is an affiliate link, and that's how we can keep these videos going for you of more unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.